Hello, my name is Isaiah Gipson, and today I'll be talking about the role of emerging medical technologies in society. I'll focus on three major innovations: mRNA vaccines, telemedicine, and artificial intelligence in diagnostics, and how they shape the way we experience and deliver healthcare. In the past few years, we've seen huge changes in medicine, not just because of scientific progress, but because of how society is changing. This presentation looks at how new medical technologies like mRNA vaccines, telehealth, and AI are not only improving healthcare, but also reflecting what society needs and values right now, like better access, personalized treatment, and ethical innovations. These technologies are deeply connected to social trends. People want care that fits them personally, which is where mRNA vaccines and AI come in. Telemedicine is about making healthcare more accessible, especially for those who live far away from doctors or those who can't afford traditional care. But with all this tech, we also have to think about trust, fairness, and making sure these tools actually help people. mRNA technology has been researched since the 1990s, but one big breakthrough came in 2005 when researchers figured out how to make it stable enough to use in people. Then in 2020, it was used in the COVID vaccines, which changed everything. Now, researchers are using mRNA to target cancer and other diseases based on a person's unique genetics. mRNA vaccines utilize mRNA to instruct cells to produce vital proteins needed. The mRNA vaccine against COVID 19 was developed at unprecedented speeds that were never seen before, and they have a successful prevention in infection, disease, and death. Telemedicine isn't brand new. It actually started back in the 1960s with NASA, believe it or not, but it didn't become mainstream until much later in the 2000s. Online care started growing, but it really exploded during the COVID pandemic. That's when doctors and patients had to find new ways to connect, and telehealth became the norm for a lot of people. Artificial intelligence in healthcare started decades ago. In the 1970s, we had simple decision tools like MYCIN that helped diagnose infections. Fast forward to the 2000s, IBM Watson made headlines, and now we're using machine learning and explainable AI models in real hospitals. It's come a long way, but we're still figuring out how to make it accurate and trustworthy at the same time. When we look globally, different countries are handling AI in medicine very different. In the US, the FDA monitors AI tools across their whole life cycle. Europe passed the AI Act, which puts sticker rules on high risk tools like medical AI. China, on the other hand, is rolling it out fast, but with strong control over data. Each approach has trade offs between innovation, privacy, and safety. Policy is super important when we're talking about medical technology. In the United States, things like HIPAA and FDA guidances help set the rules, but there is still a lot of evolving. In Europe, they're already treating AI as a high risk and requiring more transparency. For telemedicine, laws vary a lot by state. And for mRNA vaccines, there's ongoing regulation through the FDA's biological division. In the future, AI will need to be more explainable so doctors can trust what the algorithms are saying. Tools like SHAP and Lyme are a part of that. Telemedicine will likely expand into mental health, long term care, and even preventative checkups. And mRNA is opening doors for personalized cancer vaccines that are matched to a patient's own tumor cells. Even though all of this sounds great, there are still a lot of challenges. AI has to be used responsibly, especially when it influences big medical decisions. Not everyone has access to the internet or the skills to use telemedicine tools. And while mRNA is exciting, some people are still hesitant to trust new vaccine technology. To sum it up, these emerging technologies have huge potential, but their success depends on how society adapts. It's not just about the science, it's about the people. If we can combine innovation with equity, ethics, and access, we can truly improve healthcare for everyone. I've listed all the sources used in this project, and I made sure to rely on peer reviewed journals and trusted medical and policy publications.